Hey guys, in today's video we are going to see how to crochet this fuzzy hairband using the celebrity yarn. So let's get started. This is the white fuzzy yarn I'm going to use for this project. It's from Pradhan Embroidery and the brand name is Celebrity Yarn. This is how the fuzzy yarn looks like. It's quite challenging to work with a fuzzy yarn, but the final product looks really good. I'm using a 5.5 mm hook for this. And this is the black hairband I'm going to make use of. So first, place the yarn, the tail end of the yarn, and just wrap it around like so. Now, bring the hook into the hairband, grab the yarn into the hairband, then grab that strand and make chain like this. Now, you can keep doing this. Place your hook into the hairband, grab the yarn, then do a yarn over and pull through like you do in single crochet. So let me show it again. Place the hook inside, grab it like that, yarn over, pull through. Into the hairband, grab the yarn, bring it out, yarn over, pull through that loop. So as you keep working the same stitch, the stitch is going to be very simple, very easy for beginners as well. The only challenge is the yarn. The stitch is somewhat similar to single crochet, just that you're going to wrap this around the hairband. Another tip here is as you keep working around, keep pushing the stitch very close. The stitches should remain very close to each other so that the actual color of the hairband is not seen outside. I chose a black hairband so that I can show you how much it can be hidden. Especially with the fuzzy yarn, you can easily hide the color of the actual color of the hairband. So this is how it looks so far. So I thought I would make it really quick. I have fast forwarded the video so that it doesn't take a lot of time, but I think the stitch is quite clear for you, right? And as you do the stitch, you should keep pushing the stitch closer to each other. So all you do is insert the hook into the hairband, grab the yarn, and then do a single crochet where you actually yarn over and pull through the loop. Pull through 2 loops like you do in single crochet. What you have to remember here is the hook should go into the hairband and grab the yarn. Then you do a single crochet, that is yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. So as you keep going around, just keep pushing the stitches. I got this yarn from Pradhan Embroidery. They have a lot of colors. I think more than 20 colors. Very interesting colors, and these yarns are always in demand. Especially the white ones, you don't get them easily. And yeah, Pradhan Embroidery is doing a great job. I always get my yarns there. And it's not very expensive as well. This yarn is 89 rupees, I guess, in their website. And this is not a sponsored video, just sharing my experience. And they also give you the hook size recommended for every yarn. This is a nylon plus acrylic yarn, and it's 8 ply. This is 100 grams. So when you come to the end, what you need to do is you should keep pushing like that. Since it is elastic, you'll see that it might look like you have come to the end, but you should keep pushing like that as much as possible, so that the actual color of the hairband is not seen. So far, this is how it turned out to be. You can see that the black color is totally hidden. To end this, you can slip stitch to the first stitch, or you can even tie them together, the first tail end. You can tie the tail end and this strand together. But if you see, it looked like it came to an end, but as you keep pushing the stitches, you see that you have a lot more to do. So with that, I will stop the stitches and I will cut that strand. Now I'm going to tie the first tail, the beginning one and the end. I'm going to just weave them and cut them out. It's not going to be seen, it's a fuzzy yarn. And I'm quite glad with the way it turned out. So you can try out with different colors. And yeah, if you want, you can trim the strands, those fuzzy ones, or you can use it like that. Hope this was useful. If you like it, please do like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.